I'll choose the default cube. Press Tab to go to edit mode. Press M and choose at center. Press E and then Y to extrude the vertex up. Then extrude one more time. Go to modifier properties and add skin. Go to edit mode. Enable X-ray. Select the first and last vertex. Press Ctrl A to change the size of the skin. Do the same with two middle vertices a bit wider than others. Now I click on it to create a vertex group. I named it distortion. Assign it with maximal weight. Similarly, I will assign it vertex with a little less weight. With vertices at both ends, I would assign very small weights. I'll be adding modifier build so that our lightning looks like it's under construction. You can skip this modifier if you just want normal lightning. We can adjust to have the appearance of lightning as we want. Press Shift A to create an empty, plain axis. We will use it for the animation later. Now choose the lightning again. Add a Displace modifier. Since this modifier will work with the X-axis, we will rename it. And in the direction we are going to choose the X-axis. Change it to object. The object will be the empty we created earlier. Let's choose the type clouds. With noise basis, you can choose whichever option you find the best. Name the texture is. We add one more displace but for the y-axis. We'll do the same thing with the x-axis, but we'll choose y instead of x, and the same goes for naming. I will rotate the view in the y-axis direction to customize the lightning. After styling the lightning, we will animate it. Press N, go to the first frame. Select the empty that we created for the offset. Right click and set a keyframe. Go to frame 40 and change rotation. Set a keyframe. Press Shift E. we want the lightning to shine. Then we will create the material for it by selecting emission on the surface. Switch to material view. With color you can choose any color you want. Here I'm going to choose light green. Jump to render settings and enable bloom. After enabling bloom, you can adjust the color and strength to your liking. We will use mid-level to animate the lightning. After changing the value, I will click here to create a keyframe. We do the same with each axis. I adjust the current view origin to match the required camera view, then press Ctrl Alt 0. We need to reduce the brightness of the environment, so we will see the light of the lightning more beautifully. By enabling camera to view, we can adjust the camera frame like this. Now we can render an image. This is final result. Thanks for your watching. Subscribe to the channel for more Blender tutorials.